Kamusta? Ako si May. Ikaw? Hello there! Want to know how to make your Filipino partner happy? Well, you're in luck! This video is all about the basic things you can do to make her smile. We're going to explore some easy ways to bring joy into her life. So, stick around and let's make sure you're both beaming with happiness in no time. The first one, of course, is to introduce her to your family. Be proactive about introducing her to your family and approach the occasion with genuine pride and excitement. In Filipino culture, family holds immense significance, so it's crucial to make these introductions with warmth and respect. Take the time to get to know her family as well, showing kindness and consideration towards them. So, by demonstrating your respect for her family ties, you not only strengthen your bond with her, but also lay the groundwork for a harmonious future together. This mutual respect and understanding of each other's families can deepen your connection and contribute to a strong and enduring relationship. The second one is, of course, you can never go wrong with food. Filipino culture has long celebrated food as a cornerstone of social gathering and familiar connection. So, show your affections by preparing her favorite dishes or taking her out to indulge in authentic Filipino cuisine. Sharing meals not only nourishes the body but also strengthens the emotional bond between partners. She's mad? Buy or prepare her food. She's sad? Buy or prepare her food. She's hungry. Buy or prepare her food. She's happy? Well, it's because she's not hungry. Good job. And for the third one, it's gonna be respect her religion and beliefs. So, acknowledge and honor her religious beliefs, recognizing their integral roles in shaping her identity and worldview. Whether you share the same faith or not, demonstrating reverence and understanding towards her religious practices fosters mutual respect and harmony in relationship. And lastly, avoid any actions or remarks that may undermine or trivialize her spiritual convictions, as these are deeply cherished aspects of her life. And the fourth one is to extend thoughtful gestures such as pasalubong. So, what is pasalubong, you may ask? Pasalubong is a Filipino term for treats and souvenirs you bring after a trip somewhere far away. It comes in the form of food most of the time, so show thoughtfulness and consideration by presenting her with pasalubong upon your return from travels. These tokens of affection, ranging from traditional souvenirs to local treats, symbolize your affectionate regard for her and her family. By acknowledging and honoring her familial ties through such gesture, you deepen your connection and create lasting impression of care and appreciation. It is a sign that even when apart, the one traveling is thinking of their family at home and thus buys them something from said trip. It is a sweet gesture that may win a particularly tough family member over. And last but not the least, join in activities that are important in Filipino culture like karaoke nights, which are a big hit for most Filipinos, especially when they're looking to have fun. So, doing these things together shows that you're interested in her culture and helps you both feel the fun and feel closer. By sharing in these traditions, you're showing that you care about her background and want to make memories together that will bring you closer as a couple.
Thank you for learning with me. I hope to see you soon. Paalam!